1 o'clock in the morning, and we're at Walmart. I'm over at Again, we're at Walmart. Yeah, again. Different Walmart.
It's empty this time.
Yeah, look at it. This place is like a ghost. Look. No one. No one. No people. Oh, well, that guy does. There's a few. We're not the only crazy people here at Walmart.
Hey, 1:30.
Yeah, it is 1:30.
1:30.
It's 1:30 in the morning. And I can't go forward because my sister's up there and she'll get pissed off at me for putting her on camera.
Y'all never.
Yeah, y'all met her before in Atlanta.
What's that?
Yeah, the one Pikey edited.
Thank you, Pikey.
Yeah, Richie lies. We love you.
I love you, Richie.
Yeah, remember, you're on camera, bitch.
Oh. Call me. He was.
Ooh, it's really loud.
I love you, Badger.
Hey, where'd the toys go? Where'd the toys, man? Freaking got rid of the toys. Okay, bye.